We're in the middle of our embroidery applique video on the Husqvarna Viking Designer Epic 2. And I want to show you a couple things that you can do when you have a design and you really don't want to stitch out all the parts and pieces. And it's how do you skip colors or only stitch out a section. So we're in the middle where we have just placed the fabric for this particular design and we've trimmed it out. So what we see on the screen is the next step, which is just the satin stitch all the way around. Now, if your machine is not yet just showing you the design or the part of the design that's going to stitch with all the other colors grayed out, make sure you've activated this little part right here. It's the little flower, and I bet it has a name. I don't even know what it's called. It is called the Highlight Current Color Block. That makes sense. So this is something that I would recommend that once you turn on, by the way, it will be remembered. But as I touch the next color, you'll see that, okay, the next one after the outline is actually the body of the butterfly. So that is one way to jump around a design, is to actually touch the color block. You are then put at the very first stitch of that particular color. And so if you didn't want to do the applique, which would have had the placement line and the tack down line, you could have just gone to color 7 and color 8 if you wanted just the butterfly, because right now we have all the quilting on that block and the block itself. So we could just do just the butterfly by coming to those areas that are to be the main part of that design. Another way to change colors is actually to touch the little spools down here at the bottom, because they will also rotate through and get you from color to color. So that's an easy way to find where you are within a design at any given time and how you can advance through a design and stitch out only the parts you want to stitch.